Welcome and thank you for watching my video. My name is Ava, this is New Heirloom Kitchen, and today I will show you how to make authentic German potato salad. Depending on the region, the ingredients will differ slightly. We are going to make the Bavarian version. Make sure to look for the recipe card at the end of the video. Let's get started. Make sure all of your potatoes are roughly the same size so they will cook evenly in the same period of time. Place the potatoes in a large pot and fill it with enough water to cover all of them. Boil the potatoes on the stove on medium to high heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. While the potatoes cook, process the other ingredients. Let's start with the onion. Cut the onion in half and remove all outer layers. Slice the onion horizontally, but don't cut all the way so that it remains attached at the end. Depending on the size, you will end up with 2 or 3 slices. Next, cut the onion vertically into 1/4 inch thick slices. Again, make sure that the slices remain attached at the end so that they won't fall apart. Begin cutting thin slices of the onion as if you would slice a loaf of bread. Because of the previous cuts, the slices will come off the onion as small cubes. When you're all done, give everything a good chop and set it aside for later. The herbs are next. Cut the chives into small slices and give them a quick once-over. Add the parsley and continue chopping. Pass over the herbs several times to make sure that they're finely chopped, and then set them aside. Next, make the dressing. Add vinegar, oil, I use avocado oil, and a small amount of mustard. Add some salt and begin to whisk the liquids together. The mustard acts as an emulsifier and will allow the oil and the vinegar to combine. Add some black pepper and the chopped herbs. Give it a last stir and set it aside for later. Once the potatoes are fully cooked, drain them and add ice and cold water to the pot. Let the potatoes sit in the ice water for a few minutes. This will allow them to cool down a little so that it will be easier to hold them while peeling. Start peeling the potatoes by gently slicing the skin with a small knife. Then easily lift the skin off by scraping it. This does not require any pressure. The skin should separate effortlessly. Make sure you inspect a potato for any dark spots and remove them if needed. Set a potato aside and move on to the next one. Once all the potatoes are peeled, cut them into 1/4 inch thick slices and place them into a bowl. Halfway through processing the potatoes, add half of the chopped onion. This will make mixing easier later. When all the potatoes are cut, add the rest of the onion. Put a dressing into the bowl and fold it into the potatoes very gently until all ingredients are well combined. At this time, you can season the salad to taste with more vinegar, salt, and pepper. And that's it. Potato salad can be served hot or cold, alone or as a side, and will keep in the fridge for a few days. Have fun with the recipe and feel free to change it to your liking. If you make it, I'd love to see a picture. You can find my social handles as well as the recipe in the description below. If you have any suggestions for what to cook next, or if you're curious about a recipe that you would like to try, please leave me a comment below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.